friends, I'm Ron Brown. Welcome to my shop. This video is a quick little follow-up on our brand new 4040 grind setup block, and what I want to talk to you about today is something called a 4040 riser block. And the riser block, I've had a lot of requests for this. You may recall that when we introduced the 4040 setup block, that we recommend you pull the leg as far up as you can get it to go. And because of this extremely flat leg angle, there's not a lot of clearance down here on the pocket arm. So one of the solutions that I had recommended was that you make a riser block, and this is one that I've designed and made now, and what it does is it lifts everything up about 5/8 of an inch. So you have to just put it in your pocket arm. When you do your setup, you have to begin, if you're going to use the riser, when you do your setup, otherwise the angles won't be correct. We're using a 3-inch projection, the leg angle up as far as we can get it. We've set up our pocket arm, and now when you install your tool, the grind is going to be correct, and you've added all kinds of clearance to the pocket arm here. So we would just take our little riser block. It has a notch in the bottom, turn it around, just place it in your pocket arm, take the point, the foot, put it in that little pocket, and now you'll see that you have all kinds of clearance.